Welcome back to the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. Really glad you're here today. We post a brand new conversation every single day, so if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You don't want to miss one.
So, Oliver, something different happened this week.
Oh yeah? What happened?
I got a message from a friend of mine, John. He's been learning English for about a year now, and he sent me this really sweet message asking for help.
Aw, what did he ask?
He wrote, Sophie, I have a question. I always get confused between hope and wish. I never know which one to use. Can you help me? And then he wrote 2 sentences. He said, I hope I can visit you soon, and then I wish I can visit you soon. And he asked, are both correct?
Oh wow, are they?
One is correct, one is not. And the difference between them is actually really interesting. So, John, this episode is for you and for everyone out there who has ever felt the same confusion.
I mean, I've definitely used both without knowing why.
Most people have. Hope, wish. 2 words, both about wanting something, both about the future, completely different feelings inside. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's start with hope. Hope is positive. Hope is realistic. When you hope for something, you believe it's actually possible. Maybe not certain, but possible. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I hope I pass the exam. I hope you feel better soon.
Oh, so hope is like you actually think it could happen.
Exactly. Hope lives in the real world. It looks at a situation and says, this could actually happen, and I want it to happen. Think of it like this. Hope is a window. You are looking through the window at something real, something you can actually see happening. I hope I get the job. I hope we have time to meet. The window is open. The possibility is there.
Hope is a window. You can see through it. The thing you want, it's actually there on the other side.
Exactly. And hope always uses the present tense after it. I hope it is sunny. I hope she feels better. I hope you can come. Present tense, real possibility.
Oh, so John's first sentence, I hope I can visit you soon, that's correct.
Perfectly correct. He believes it's possible. He wants it to happen. Hope, present tense, window open.
Okay, so what about wish?
Wish is completely different. Wish is for things that are not real right now, things that are impossible or very unlikely, or just not your current reality. I wish I had more time. I wish I could fly. I wish it were Friday already.
Oh, so wish is more like dreaming, wanting something that isn't really possible right now.
Yes, wish lives outside the real world. It looks at reality and says, this is not what I want something different. Think of it like this. If hope is a window, wish is a door to another world. You are not walking through that door, you're just standing in front of it, knowing it leads somewhere you can't actually go right now.
A door to another world. I wish I could fly. That door leads to a world where humans can fly, but I can't actually open it.
Exactly. And wish always uses the past tense after it, even when you're talking about now or the future. I wish I had more time. I wish she were here. I wish I could come to the party.
Wait, past tense, but you're talking about now?
Yes, and this is the part that confuses everyone. The past tense after wish doesn't mean past time. It means this is not real right now. The past tense creates distance from reality. It's the grammar's way of saying this is a different world.
Oh, wow. So the past tense is not about when, it's about real or not real.
Exactly. Real possibility, hope, present tense. Not real right now, wish, past tense.
So John's second sentence, I wish I can visit you soon, that's the wrong one.
That's the one with the mistake. He used wish, but then used can, present tense. With wish, you need could. I wish I could visit you soon.
I wish I could visit you soon, not can, could.
Exactly. Could is the past tense of can, and with wish, you always go one step back into the past tense. Can becomes could, have becomes had, am becomes were.
One step back into the other world.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about formality because hope and wish work differently depending on the situation.
Okay, so which one is more formal?
Hope works in every situation. Casual, I hope you have fun tonight. Professional, I hope this email finds you well. Very formal, we hope this report meets your expectations. Same word, every level.
Oh, I hope this email finds you well. That's so common in work emails.
One of the most common professional phrases in English. Now, wish, in casual conversation, I wish I could come to the party. In professional writing, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. In very formal context, wish appears in set phrases. Best wishes, with warm wishes, we wish to inform you.
So wish gets more formal in set phrases.
Exactly. And the most important thing, hope and wish are never interchangeable. They don't mean the same thing. Changing one for the other completely changes the message.
Oh, like I hope you feel better soon versus I wish you felt better.
Beautiful example. I hope you feel better soon. I believe you will. I'm optimistic. I wish you felt better. You don't feel better right now, and I want that to be different. Same situation, completely different feelings.
Wow, that's actually really powerful. The word you choose tells the other person exactly how you see the situation.
Exactly. Now, fixed expressions, because native speakers use these constantly.
Hit me.
I hope so means I want that to be true and I think it's possible. Do you think it will rain? I hope so.
Oh, I hope so. I use that all the time and never thought about it.
I hope not. The opposite. I hope that doesn't happen. Do you think the meeting will be long? I hope not.
I hope not. So useful.
I wish I could means I want to, but it's not possible right now. Can you come tonight? I wish I could.
I wish I could. That's such a polite and natural way to say no.
Very natural. I wish you were here means you are not here and I want that to be different. Very emotional, very human.
Oh, I wish you were here. That hits different.
And best wishes, a formal closing, used in professional emails and letters, completely set phrase.
Best wishes. I've written that 100 times without thinking about it.
And now you know exactly why wish is in there. These 5 expressions, I hope so, I hope not, I wish I could, I wish you were here, best wishes. Learn them as complete phrases. Use them immediately.
I wish I could is my favorite. So polite, so natural, so useful.
Error check. Wrong, I wish I can come to the party.
I wish I could come to the party. Wish needs past tense. Can becomes could.
Good. Wrong, I hope it would be sunny tomorrow.
I hope it is sunny tomorrow. Hope needs present tense. Would is past tense, and hope lives in the real world. Present tense only.
Exactly. Wrong. I wish I have more free time.
I wish I had more free time. Wish needs past tense. Have becomes had.
Perfect. Wrong. I hope I were taller.
I hope wait. Actually, this doesn't work with hope at all. Being taller right now is not a real possibility, so it should be, I wish I were taller.
Excellent. You didn't just fix the grammar, you fixed the word choice. That's the real understanding.
Wow, yeah. It's not just about tense, it's about which world you're in, the real world or the other world.
Exactly. Before the quiz, something I want to say directly. If you have been using hope and wish randomly your whole life, completely okay. These 2 words confuse learners at every single level. The fact that John asked, the fact that you're here listening, means you're already thinking more carefully about the language, and that's everything.
And honestly, I've been saying I wish I can do things my whole life without knowing it was wrong. So, John, you're not alone.
You're in very good company. Quiz time.
Ready.
Blank, the weather is nice this weekend. You're planning a picnic and you think it's possible.
I hope the weather is nice this weekend. Real possibility, present tense, hope.
Good. Blank, I could speak 5 languages. You can't right now, but you really want to.
I wish I could speak 5 languages. Not real right now. Past tense, wish.
Perfect. Blank, you enjoy the rest of your day. You're ending a conversation warmly.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. You believe they will. Real world, hope.
Exactly. Blank, I didn't have to work tomorrow. You do have to work. You want a different reality.
I wish I didn't have to work tomorrow. Not real, past tense, wish. Very relatable.
Very relatable. Blank, this email finds you well. Professional opening.
I hope this email finds you well. Present tense, real and professional. Hope.
Good. Blank, you are here with us right now. The person is not there.
I wish you were here. Not real right now. Past tense, wish.
Perfect. Blank, so. Someone asks if the package will arrive on time.
I hope so. You think it's possible. Hope.
Exactly. Blank, I could. Someone asks if you can help them move this weekend, but you already have plans.
I wish I could. It's not possible. Past tense, wish. And also a very polite way to say no.
Very polite. And last one. Max has been sitting at the window all afternoon, staring at the empty street. Oliver, what is Max thinking right now?
Oh, wow, okay. Max is thinking, I wish my human would come home already. I hope there is food when he gets here. And I wish I could open this window.
3 uses, all correct, all deeply relatable.
Max understands grammar better than I do.
9 out of 9, Oliver.
You know, hope and wish have been like 2 rooms in my head my whole life, and I could never find the light switch in either one. And now I finally know. Hope is the room with the window. The light is already coming in. Wish is the room with the door to somewhere else. Beautiful, but you can't go through it right now.
That is the most perfect way anyone has ever explained it back to me.
I'm keeping that.
Please do. Let's lock it in. Vocabulary review.
Let's go.
Hope. Use hope when something is possible, when you believe it could happen. I hope it doesn't rain. I hope you feel better. I hope we can meet soon. Repeat after us. Hope.
Hope.
Slowly. H-O-P-E. Hope.
Hope is the window, the real world. Always use present tense after hope. I hope it is. I hope she feels. I hope you can.
Wish. Use wish when something is not real right now, when you want a different reality. I wish I had more time. I wish I could fly. I wish you were here. Repeat after us. Wish.
Wish.
Slowly. W-I-S-H. Wish.
Wish is the door to another world, not real right now. Always use past tense after wish. I wish I had. I wish I could. I wish you were.
Fixed expressions. I hope so. I want that and I think it's possible. I hope not. I want that not to happen. I wish I could. I want to, but it's not possible right now. I wish you were here. You're not here and I want that to be different. Best wishes. Formal and warm. Closing. Repeat after us. I hope so.
I hope so.
I hope not.
I hope not.
I wish I could.
I wish I could.
I wish you were here.
I wish you were here.
Best wishes.
Best wishes.
And the golden rule. Hope is for the real world, present tense. Wish is for a different world, past tense. The word you choose tells people exactly how you see the situation.
Hope is the window. Wish is the door to another world. And now you have both keys.
Come back to this review and say these phrases out loud with us. I hope so. I wish I could. I wish you were here. Say them until they feel automatic. That is how language becomes yours.
And John, if you're listening, I hope this helped. And if it didn't, I wish I could explain it better.
Both used perfectly.
I know.
You know, I think what I love most about hope and wish is what they say about how we see the world. When you hope for something, you're saying, I believe in this. I think it's possible. When you wish for something, you're saying, I want something different. I'm dreaming of another way.
Yeah. And both of those feelings are completely human. Sometimes you hope, sometimes you wish, and sometimes you do both at the same time.
Exactly. And in English, now you have exactly the right word for each feeling. That's not just grammar, that's being understood.
Being understood. That's the whole point, isn't it?
That's the whole point. All right, question for you. Write a sentence in the comments using hope or wish about something real in your life right now. Something you hope for, something you wish were different. We read every single one.
And if this helped you, and if it helped John, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has been saying, I wish I can, their whole life. Send them this. It's time.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And John, I hope you visit Sophie soon, and I wish I could be there when you do.
Both perfect, Oliver. Goodbye, everyone.